Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to scan QR codes on HP OmniBook X. So first, open your browser and type in QR scanner. Now click on some online QR scanner, and right here you can upload your file or scan QR code. When we click scan, we need to allow the camera, and now I'll just put in the link and we can go into the link. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.